Cuisinart 619-18 Nonstick Hard Anodized Saucepan In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 760 ratings and 110 reviews. 92% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Perfect saucepan. Nothing sticks and it cleans out easily. Perfect saucepan. Nothing sticks and it cleans out easily." When you have those moments where you walked away to quickly go to the bathroom or quickly do something else and somehow got distracted or forgot, and you came back to the kitchen full of smoke with the food burning. Guess what? You won't have to throw this pan out. Admittedly, I used to use stainless steel only and was always multitasking, and every once in a while, I burned a pan so badly that no amount of soaking or scrubbing could clean the stainless steel off and I had to discard my pan. But now with this one, I don't think that will ever happen again. So far, I love it. P.S. I was not paid for this review. I have no clue how people get free products in return for their free reviews. In my case, I paid for this product and am freely sharing my opinion. Smiley face. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Non-stick coating failed quickly. I've had a set of these pans for probably 10 years, but this one I purchased less than 2 years ago has failed already. The non-stick coating bubbled up and began peeling in the center of the bottom. Especially strange because I use this only for rice or risotto at low temperatures, using a wooden spoon, or for boiling frozen vegetables. I have a gas stove, so there isn't even direct heat in the center, and I've always hand washed it. I don't know whether this is a fluky defect or if they all fail that soon now. That's it.
This is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized Cookware. It has lots of great pieces, but it has some really standout features. First, I'm going to show you the skillet. The interior of the skillet has a non-stick cooking surface, and it's called Quantanium. It is titanium reinforced, so it's very durable. And with this cookware, you can actually use metal utensils when you're cooking. The other thing about this is you'll notice the outside is gray, and this is the hard anodized exterior. When this is manufactured, this hard anodized exterior is actually harder than stainless steel. You'll also notice here, this is the cast handle. So it's solid, it's riveted on. You'll see here on the inside, the rivets, and then also on the outside, right there. You'll also notice that this has a really nicely tapered handle. So it has a nice shape to it. It also has a nice valley here so that you can stick your thumb in there whenever you want to move your cookware from the stove to the cooktop or even the sink. This cookware can also go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So it's really, really versatile. Now I'm going to show you one of the pots. This is the stock pot. It's a nice generous size when you're doing anything from boiling pasta to making chili or even homemade soups. This is a great piece to have in your kitchen. It's also great for steaming corn or any type of artichokes or vegetables because it's nice and deep and a generous size. So first I'm just going to put this here for a moment. And I just want to show you how the handles actually flare out a little bit on the sides. And that's really nice because you get a really sturdy grip on your cookware, and you also keep your fingers away from the hot pot. One thing that I forgot to mention to you is that the shape of these handles, and also, I'm just going to pick this up and show you. The shape of this handle here, you'll notice is a little V. This aids in keeping the handle cool on the top of the stove when you're cooking, but always make sure that you use the right size heating element. Like for a pan like this, you should never go wider than the bottom of the actual pan, because if you do, heat will actually come directly up into the handle and it will get hot. So make sure you use the right size element when you're cooking in your kitchen. This is a really versatile set of cookware. It's beautifully designed. The Quantanium surface is really durable and you'll get lots of great use out of it in your kitchen.